On mine, you can see the name set itself was damaged. If you want to know how to fix this, you can click on the link here above to my other video on how to repair name sets that have been ruined like this one. So anyways, what's up you beautiful people? I am gonna be going through how to fix the name sets like these old 2004, 2005 Juventus name sets. As you can see, I always store them with the paper protecting them in between layers so that they don't stick to themselves or anything else. And you can see here that especially on the letters, well, some of the numbers, but on the letters it's actually stuck to it. So we're gonna go through and I'll show you how to fix that and also how to prevent it from happening again, especially on all these. So let's get into it. Here is what you'll need. It'll just be basically the generic masking tape. I like masking tape and not painter's tape because it sticks better. Some water, a rag, or a sponge, and then something sharp. I have here an X-Acto knife just to cut any outlines that I want to expose. So first thing you'll do is just take your rag and get it nice and wet. Really all we're gonna do is remove the paper that had gotten stuck on these. In this particular case, you'll see my name set actually got damaged. It actually lifted some of the paint from it. But over on this side, you'll see there's the actual paper that's getting lifted here. So anyways, it's just basically to clean the set to make sure there's no residue on it. So now all I'll be doing is I'm gonna take my masking tape, I'm gonna mask off the letters. Basically, the next step is gonna be cut out any of the letters that I actually wanna spray, and then I'm gonna spray a clear coat on top just to keep this from repeating. So now that it's all masked off, what I'm gonna do is hang this, and then I'm gonna spray the Rust-Oleum matte clear. This is just the top coat, a little clear coat on top. It's gonna be a very light coat, just enough to prevent the tackiness of the name set from sticking around. So pun intended on that one. So I left it to dry for about 20 minutes or so. It was very light dusting of the clear coat, so I'm not too worried about it. I already felt it, it feels fine. So yeah, probably the most satisfying part is now you get to peel off all the tape. And there we have it. So now it is protected. It is no longer going to stick to your shirt or to the other numbers or to anything else. I still, even when I do this, I still store them with a piece of paper over the transfer, but yeah, now you don't have to worry about this